Good morning, it's Simons here. Okay, so what we have here is a troubleshooting manual for a control startup and operation service and troubleshooting manual for the aquaforce. Let's say that aquaforce 30 X alpha 080500 air cooled liquid chillers. That's a carrier chiller. Okay, so yesterday we had a little bit of issue back at work, and we're trying to get the input voltage that goes into the main board, main base board. So right now I have to visit this guy to actually get what I'm looking for. Okay, so this piece of equipment, there's a lot of things on it, and there's no way on earth you can have everything in your head. Okay, so that's why you need to sometimes visit your troubleshooting manual and schematics and diagrams. Okay, so here we are, and we have to do this together now. Just have to make this video. It's very early in the morning before I go to work. So we have controls here. You have the main baseboard. Okay, so the main baseboard is the core of the comfort link control system, and that's where we don't have power. I want power to be on that board, that control board, for other things to work. If you look down, you see there are a lot of sensors. It controls the compressor and a lot of other components. Okay, so I want to know how many volts goes there and where the voltage goes in from and all of that. Let's say I do not know all of any of those. Okay, so let's start looking for it. This is a compression control, compressor protection module. That's a CPM, and this one is the main base board module. So that's the MBB. Okay, so this table, that's table 3, showing us on the main base board input and output. So at the top here is power, 24-volt supply. Okay, so I have to look for where you see where you have this the notation. Okay, so on the board, so this notation, now I have to look for MBBJ1, J1A, MBBJ1B. So J1A definitely is going to be the power, and J1B is going to be the ground. Okay, so we have 24 and then we have ground. So in the MBBJA1 and MBBJA2 should be around 11 and 12. So that's how you troubleshoot a diagram, schematics. 11 MBB. So okay, this is what the overview of the board looks like. So I have to look for MBBJ1A and J1B. So once I can find that on the board, I will be able to tell. Okay, so you see plus and minus everywhere. You have a lot of sensors, input and output and all of that. So I'm looking for MBBJ1A. So this is J1A. J1A is around here. Sorry about that. J1A is around here. See, that's J1A, and I have to look for J1B. So if this guy is J1A, definitely this guy is J1B. It's 24 VAC, so this is it. It has to be close to the the capacitors as there. This is the biggest capacitor on this board. Okay, so this J1A, this J1A, and this J1B. So this 24. So this positive and this negative. So we found it. There you are. So this troubleshooting is gonna be easy. Yeah, money. It's gonna be easy. Let's